Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone has started studying. Today I, Clara Singh, will be teaching you SST Chapter 1 Changes in Family, and we will be doing question and answers. So children, in our previous video we had all done take the right answer, match the following, fill in the blanks, and true and false. Today we will be doing question answers. I hope everyone has got ready with their notebooks. If you don't have, you can note it down in a rough notebook. So the first question is, what are nuclear family? This question has been written on page number 7. We have a exercise E. Answer the following questions and you will have all these questions written on it. You have to have an interleaved notebook, which is one side plain and one side ruled. So just copy the first question. What are nuclear family? The answer is a family in which only parents and the children live together is called a nuclear family. You can start noting it down. A family in which only parents and their children live together is called a nuclear family. Second question, what are the things which you have learned from your family members? What are the things which you have learned from your family members? Answer is, we have learned the values like love each other, help each other, listen and obey our elders, and take care of each other. I will repeat the answer. We have learned the values like love each other, help each other, listen and obey our elders, and take care of each other. So in case if you are not written it down, you have written as an incomplete answer, you can rewatch the video again. Now the third question. What type of life did Rohan's mother lead in her childhood? So the answer is, Rohan's mother lived in a joint family. Her life was very simple and did not had a television or computer. Played lot of outdoor games like Kho-Kho, hide and seek. It's a bit long answer, but I hope everyone will copy the answer. In case, you can pause the video also. Now let us come to question number 4. Name some family values on which the foundation of a society is based. I will repeat. Name some family values on which the foundation of a society is based. The answer is, family value is based on love, discipline, commitment, cooperation, and unselfishness. They are the foundations of a society. I will repeat. Family values is based on love, discipline, commitment, cooperation, and unselfishness. They are the foundations of a society. Now let us come to the last question. What are the reasons for change in Ruben's, Rajat's and Mohit's family? If you remember, if you have read the chapter, you can easily tell what was the reason for change in their family. If not, I will tell you the answer. In Ruben's reason for change in family is due to coming of a new member. Remember, he had a baby sister, a small child was born, so that caused a change in a family. In Rajat's reason for change in family is due to job transfer of his father. His father had to join a new place and that job wasn't in another city, so he had to be transferred from one city to another. C. In Mohit's family, reason for change in family is due to marriage. Yes, we had spoken about marriage. What marriage is, when there is a marriage at home, what sort of changes is there? You have so many relatives, guests coming to your house, so that was a change in family because of his marriage, of his sister's Meeta's marriage at home. There is homework for you all. As I told you, you have to do fill in the blanks, true and false, and question answers in your interleaved notebook. Yes, it's a one side plain and the other side is ruled. You have to write down the chapter's name and then start with fill in the blanks, which is done on in the book, page number 6. And then you will be doing true and false and then the question answers which I have given you in this video. Second, also draw a picture. If you are very good in art, you can draw a picture, or if not, you can stick pictures of a nuclear family or a joint family. If you are living in a nuclear family, you can draw a nuclear family or paste a picture, or if you are staying in a joint family, you can draw or stick the joint family picture. So children, that's for all. We'll be meeting you in the next class with a new chapter. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.